This is Angie from Canterbury Trails Farm, and today we're making Italian stuffed green peppers in the slow cooker. The first thing I went ahead and did, and you don't have to do this, but I inserted a crock pot slow cooker bag into my slow cooker so it'll be less mess when I go to clean it up. You need to cook a cup of white rice, or you can use long grain brown rice, whatever kind of rice you want to use. So it's going to equal about 2 cups cooked rice. So I'm putting the cooked rice in a big bowl, and I'm just going to add a little bit of parsley. If you're measuring it out, probably a ½ teaspoon. I'm also going to add about a ½ teaspoon of oregano. I'm going to be using 1 pint jar of canned chicken. If you don't have canned chicken that you've done yourself, you could use leftover chicken. You can also use leftover turkey. You can also use store canned chicken if you want to do it that way. It'll be quicker. I'm just cutting it up a little bit, and I'm going to add the chicken to the rice. Next, I've cut up 2 Roma tomatoes and a small zucchini, and I'm going to add that to my mixture as well. And you don't have to use these particular vegetables. Use whatever you have on hand, but the tomatoes are, I would say, probably integral since it's going to be an Italian-based dish. I'm going to add a little bit of crushed red pepper, probably about a teaspoon. And instead of using a fresh onion, a raw onion, I'm going to use some, about 2 tablespoons of minced onion, and about 2 teaspoons garlic powder, some salt and pepper. I'm going to mix all that up. Okay, I have a 24-ounce can of spaghetti sauce, and I'm just going to add about a 1/4 cup to this mixture. You want it to be moist but not wet, and you don't want it to be dry, so you want to add a little bit more. And you can use any kind of spaghetti sauce that you like. Okay, so there we have that mixed. To prepare the green peppers, I'm just going to cut the tops straight across. I'm going to go around and get the seeds out of there, so they're hollow. Okay, and I had this one green pepper that was sort of from Imperfect Produce, and it was like sliced. So I'm just going to go ahead and slice that up and add it to my chicken mixture. Alright, then I'm just going to fill up each of the green peppers with the chicken and rice and vegetable mixtures. It has a weird bottom on it, so I'm trying to get it going. And I'm just going to put the rest of the mixture, because I only had 4 green peppers, so if I would have had more green peppers, I would have filled them all up, obviously. I'm going to just put this over on the side. The rest of that spaghetti sauce, I'm just going to sort of put some of it on top of it. Pour the rest down in there. And then I'm just going to take some garlic powder and sprinkle it over the top. Now if you had cheese, which I plan to put on there, but I'm out of cheese, so that's out. I would wait till right before you serve it and then sprinkle shredded cheese over it so it melts. You can also mix it in with the rice and the veggie mixture if you want. It would make it cheesier, but like I said, I'm out of cheese, so I'm avoiding the whole cheese thing. So I'm going to put it on high, and I'm going to let it cook for about 4 hours, and then we'll come back and check it. Okay, the peppers are done, and I'm fixing to serve them up, and I've made some plain rice that I'm going to mix some of this extra rice in with, and I'm going to serve the green peppers on a bed of that mixed rice. Alright, and there is the pepper on the bed of the mixed rice, and it did take almost exactly 4 hours, and about 10 minutes away I turned it down to low because it looked like you probably could have got away with 3.5 hours. That's the stuffed chicken green peppers, and I will leave the recipe in the box below and probably include it in the video as well. So thank you for joining us. Bye.